Hello, this is Corey with Action Box Breaks. We are about to do ID number 0473, a 2016 Action Packs Multi-Sport 1-box break random letters twofer, 9 total spots. Each spot gets you 2 letter or letter combinations. We're going to first pick which one of these boxes. Going to roll the dice here. 1, 2, or 3. Anything else, we will re-roll. See which box. 5 is a re-roll. 2. We're going to do this middle box. It's 1, 2, 3. Middle box is 2. So we'll pull that bad boy out of there. Set these other 2 aside for later. And now we're going to roll the dice, 2 dice, to see how many times we're going to randomize your names, and then we will stick you in the spreadsheet right over here. Need to get a little defuzzer here. Alright, let's see. 5 and 3 is 8 times. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 times on the randomizer. We're going to go ahead and use random.org. Bring that up now. Just a second. Looks like when it crashed earlier, it went away. So let me go ahead and bring it up here. There it is. Be just a minute. I just gotta bring this one up here. Well, we'll just go ahead and do it like this for now since we're in the middle of the video. Alright. Gonna randomize it 8 times. Here we go. I'll change it for the next one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here we go. Lucky number 8. 8 times. Gonna take that Alfredo up top, Logan at the bottom, everyone else is in between. Copy and paste that into our spreadsheet here. And those are your letter or letter combination assignments. Feel free to take a look at that, and we will go in just a moment. So, Alfredo with A. Sath B. Owen has C and D. G. Sath. J. Lydia. K. Alfredo. M. Sath. N. Owen. P. Sath. R. Owen. S. Sath, T. Lydia, FVY combo, and HIU combo all go into Logan. LNO to Sath, EQX, and WZ go to Logan. Logan, you got all kinds of combinations there to choose from. Hopefully we get you a big hit. We'll do it in just a moment. I don't think anybody is in here to trade, so we're going to go ahead and RIP it. Let's do it. Alright, now the security seals. Action packs, and for those of you watching the video later on YouTube, Action Packs Multi-Sport. It's pretty sweet. We've had some great hits. If you like what you see, you better get in. All right, first up, we have an old guy from 1955 Bowman. Richie Ashburn, Beckett 6.5, which is a decent grade for back in 1955. Richie Ashburn, that's R, and that one's going to go to Owen. R is Owen. Might not know that guy, but he's a pretty good old ball player, and that's from 1955 Bowman Baseball at a 6.5 grade. First letter of the first name, R. R goes to Owen. Congrats, Owen. Card number 1. Card number 2 is, oh yeah, we have Brett Favre, National Treasures autographed jersey, number 6 of only 10. 6 of 10, Brett Favre, graded Beckett, a 9 mint, with a perfect 10 auto. Sweet. That goes to the B spot, and the B spot is Sath. Sath, congratulations. I don't think you're in the room right now, but when you watch this video, you're going to be very, very excited to get a National Treasures Brett Favre auto jersey numbered to only 10. Very, very nice hit. Congrats. And that is the first box. Very sweet card. That's the first box of the night. Thanks, guys.